Thank you so much. And now we come to the core area of today's program, as mentioned by our organizing chairman, Dr. Amit Ghosh, that cancer awareness is of utmost importance and it is one of our primary objectives. As we all know, even laymen like us, we all know that time is of the essence in cancer treatment. Time, early detection, early treatment obviously means not only a greater survival rate, but a better quality of life. So on cancer treatment in the early stages, on being aware of the symptoms, of going to the doctor at the right moment, if there's at all a right moment for cancer, these are all the areas that we are going to present in an audiovisual that we are going to show you. Can we start the audiovisual, please?
In the darkest night we found our way through battles fought in skies of gray. In the midst of pain, darkest night we found our way through battles fought in skies of gray. In the midst of pain, we stood so strong, for in our hearts hope carried us along. Oh, cancer survivors, you're the stars that shine. In the darkest night we found our way through battles fought in skies of gray. In the midst of pain, in the darkest night we found our way through battles fought in skies of gray. In the midst of pain, we stood so strong, for in our hearts hope carried us along. Cancer survivors, you're the stars that shine. In the darkest night we found our way through battles fought in skies of gray. In the midst of pain, we stood so strong, for in our hearts hope carried us along. Cancer survivors, you're the stars that shine. Through the toughest storms, you found your light with hope as your guide. You've come so far, you're the warriors who've shown us who you are.
We have renowned singer Mr. Shumit Roy with us, who has very kindly composed a song on cancer awareness, which he's going to present before us tonight.
Thank you. Well, after having recorded the song for Life Beyond Cancer, it's my privilege to do this composition. Unfortunately, without any music, but I'll try my best. Hope, hope and hope. This life is full of hope if you give the doctor the scope. Cancer of kidney, bladder or prostate can all be cured with a little bit of weight. So don't worry, don't despair, just be positive. Have faith in the healing touch of doctors for a normal life to live. Don't be a coward, just come forward. Let's together kill this cancer with medical miracles, which are the enhancers. Bhoy pyo na bhai, darna mat. Just take the doctor's advice. Get fully cured, be assured, and live life king size. Yes, the doctors have all the answers to get rid of cancer. These are from inputs from Dr. Amit Ghosh. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Cancer awareness. is something that the messages of which we want to get across to everyone. And for that, we have adopted a bombardment strategy: audio visuals, music, or just audio. Can we now listen to some messages on cancer awareness?
The burden of cancers of the kidney, bladder and prostate are rising worldwide by leaps and bounds. Only last year, 20 lakhs of Euro cancers happened worldwide. Of them, only 9 lakhs faced death. So, time for optimism. The survival rate is evidently greater than the death rate. So, all of us, wake up. This is a wake-up call, but we have some responsibilities. Every individual will have to be aware that many diagnostic tools are available today. So we must put our right foot forward, get ourselves tested early in life so that we can conquer cancer. Early diagnosis will lead to the death of cancer. Additionally, we need to be responsible ourselves to learn about risk factors of cancer. Smoking, obesity, family history are few risk factors which are very, very well known. So no smoking if we don't want cancer. Let's not invite cancer. If we are obese, we must vouch for nutritional measures so that obesity does not dominate. If we have got a family history of cancers running in the family, then we need to be taking extra precaution about genetic counseling. We also need to be aware that today, as we speak in 2023, November 24th, that there are tremendous advances in surgery, chemotherapy, and radiotherapy. And therefore, it is time for us to face cancer rather than succumb to it. Please remember, we are winning with cancer. Cancer is no more incurable. Cancer is curable. We need to combat cancer. We need to combat cancer courageously. Cancer should be faced with tremendous willpower. Families should not be shattered. Families should support. We must give love to the family and not destroy the family. Cancer does not anymore mean that life is over, but life may be different. So on this evening today, let us all vouch that we will combat cancer courageously. We will conquer cancer. We will put our right foot forward for early diagnosis. We will take care of our risk factors. We will kill cancer because we've got the means to do so. Cancer is curable. We should not succumb to cancer. Let us fight cancer. And to all the cancer patients, may I appeal, every cancer patient should live life king size. That's the target. We must make every cancer patient live life king size. Thank you.
A message goes across really loud and clear when we can provide examples to prove that statement. And what better way of saying cancer is curable, that even after cancer survival, people can live life king size, but by providing examples. 6 patients, cancer survivors all. We would welcome them onto the dais with a loud applause. Can we all applaud for these very, very courageous patients who have faced cancer with great courage and willpower? We are going to show you very short clippings of their journey. Can you come center stage, please? Okay, can you please sit down? Thank you. We'll have very short clips on their successful journey into normal life. Can we see them? Thank you so much for sharing this journey with us. May I call upon Mr. Andrew Fleming, the Deputy High Commissioner, for felicitating these extraordinary men and women. And can we have another round of applause for their extraordinary journey? And may they be the inspiration for many others. Thank you very much and all the very best. May I? And of course, these are inspiring stories. We would all like to remember this. So one final round of applause for these extraordinary people. Thank you so much. May I once again call upon the organizing chairman, Dr. Amit Ghosh, to take the program forward.